I'll just swing myself over this way. So this is July 13th. Hopefully it's not 14th. If it's 14th, then we've got Bastille Day, and I miss that a lot. Yeah, I've had some issues with some post-COVID things, which made it difficult for me to do much of anything. So, yeah, this is just a nice little interlude while I get ready to do more. Okay, the storm's been going on for an hour. You can see my lake. I have a lake back here now. Here's the water. The water comes all the way over. And there's a lake over there too. It is wet. So yeah, things. The boot chair has water in it. My chair is damp. My shoes are wet. There's the edge of it there, finally. Whew. Oh, I know what the problem is. See, we didn't have a fence that worked over there, and now we have a fence, so it's acting as a dam. Everything got wet. In fact, you see water on the batteries. Water just blowing off the top of the roof. Thing is, this morning I did mow the weeds out front, so they're good to go. Yeah, okay, hi. Let me just say that it is not nice outside. I'm under a blue canopy, as you can tell. Let me see if I can get something right here in terms of my face. And yeah, it's been quite a while since I posted much like this, but this is significant. It's a big rainstorm. We have a drought. This is ending the drought in my yard. I know that much. Still a little lightning and thunder bouncing around outside. Hopefully I will start doing videos again. I'm going to try once every 2 weeks just to put something up. Look for shorts, because I do like to pop a short up of Buena Ventura or Gale. So other than that, we'll hang you over and you can see solar panels. They're kind of clean now. See the rain washing them quite nicely. Yeah, quite a day. Totally unexpected.